In this video, I'll show you how to do a mail merge in Canva using the Bulk Create feature. You can create and issue bulk certificates using this Canva app. Here's a simple example using a certificate template. The name text represents placeholders that will change based on each participant's personal information. First, prepare your data. Create a list with the participant's name, serial number, level, and date completed, etc. Once done, copy the list from the Sheets or Excel file. Next, open Canva and go to Apps. Search for Bulk Create and select Bulk Create. Click Upload Data and import your Excel file. Canva will show you the available columns from your sheet. Click Continue. Or click Enter Data manually and paste the data you copied, then click Done. Now it's time to link the data. Select the text element on your certificate like name, level, or date completed. Then right-click, select Connect Data, and choose the matching field from your list. Repeat this for each placeholder in your design. When all elements are connected, click Continue. You'll see a preview of how the data will be populated. Click Generate Designs to create personalized certificates for each participant. Once Canva generates them, you can export or share each certificate as needed. That's how you do a mail merge in Canva using the Bulk Create app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.